Aiboan. Hi, my name is Niranjan. I'm the General Manager of Uga Bay Hotel. Uga Bay has 48 luxury rooms. We are categorized as a luxury beach resort. Pasikuda is known for one of its most beautiful beaches and shallow waters. Throughout the year, we have quite a good season so that the guests can really enjoy one of the, I would say, the best beach in Sri Lanka. Uga Bay also has a special dining which we call the crab dining. If you come to Pasikuda, I definitely would recommend that you would come and try the crab dining on. And also you can relax by doing activities such as diving or jet skiing or even going on a cruise, and also going on cycles to the local village and seeing around the hotel. So it's a very good relaxing destination.